All right, here we have a 2007 Chevrolet 5500. As you can see, dump truck here. Has a Duramax diesel engine, 6.6 liter. I will have to double check and figure out whether it's the LLY, LBZ, or LMM. I've seen them all in these model years before, so I'll just have to double check. I'll put it in the comments, let you know. Allison Automatic transmission. It does have some miles on it. It's got 245,000. But these diesels, they last a long time, and Allisons are about the best transmissions out there, automatics. So it's still got plenty of life. All started up, you'll hear it run. It's a good running truck. Does need a couple of little things here and there as far as service work. We got some scratches up front here. Just wanted to point out. As you can see, the mirror's got a little bit of damage to it. That's stuff that can be replaced. Door handle here. This door does open, but door handle needs some work on it. As you can see, 11-foot steel dump bed. These sides do go down. They got a pintle hitch towing package here. Take a look inside of the dump bed in just a second here. Not bad, no holes in it, nothing like that. It doesn't have any fancy features or anything like that, no power locks or windows, but we do have some cloth seats here. Got a little bit of a repair on it. Let's see. I think this needs a little bit of service work. I think we got like a service, time for some regular service light on or something like that. Fires right up. Yeah, like I said, 245 on it. There's the dash there. A little bit, I don't know what's going on there. But heat AC, got that. It does have cruise control. That's what this is right here at the end, on, set it from there, all that good stuff. So this is how you control the dump bed here with this switch, up, down. Pretty simple. You don't need to turn on a PTO or anything like that. We'll go ahead and start lifting her up here. Closer look at the underside of the bed there, frame, all that good stuff. Ooh, right. Okay, let's head on out here, take a closer look. Just so you can hear it run a little bit better. Frame here, underside of the bed, all in good shape. Everything looks good there. Right now, it does need a little bit of TLC here and there, a couple little things. That's all stuff that we can fix. Take a look at all that good stuff, but overall, it's a pretty nice dump truck, Duramax diesel, ready to go, start making you money. So come on, check her out.